Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and I'm going to show you how you can customize this quick launch feature by double tapping power key. So as you can see right now, we open at the camera, but we can change it very easy. So we have to enter for the settings at the first. Next we have to tap on the search pool and we have to type double press. It's right here in the advanced features. So let's get it. And as you can see, we can customize this thing for the really easy way. You can change it to open the Bixby. So right now, when we double tap, we are going to open the Bixby, as you can see. But we can also open the different apps. So for example, if you want to get fast access to the Play Store, you can select this app, and after that, when you double tap the power key, you can easily open this device, this application. And you can actually link a very app that you have on your smartphone. For example, we can try with YouTube. And if you are enough with this feature and you want to turn it off, for example, you have to just tap on this feature. So that's how we can customize this feature on your Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.